Hey Sharks, today is Wednesday, the 25th of March, and this has been a roller coaster market, as you all know, because of the ongoing war. And now it seems like we are potentially going into some ceasefire talks, but we don't know if that's going to be for certain or not. So it's just a lot of uncertainty still around the war, and this is affecting the markets. Either way, I took this time this week, I will say a couple days ago, I believe last Friday, to make some adjustments in my portfolio reallocation. As you all know, Robinhood is the position that I have the largest position on, and I have taken a big hit on it. Uh, I decided to sell half those shares and take a realized loss, but then use the remaining capital and reallocate it into different positions. So first one is I reallocated about 17,874 here to NVIDIA for a leap at a 155 strike expiring March 19th, 2027. So this one is good. It's already generating about 900 up $900 around there. Okay, so we still have a long way to go, and I am very bullish on NVIDIA because of all their projects and equipment that they are creating that's going to serve the AI and the data center infrastructure. In April, they have a few big announcements around their Vera Rubin chips. So very bullish on NVIDIA. The second one is MU. Now this one I bought it on the dip, this leap, and you can see I'm in the red, but good thing I have bought this leap all the way out to March 19th, 2027. So this one is in water right now, but I'm still confident long term. Now the only headwind that MU has right now just recently, and the reason why the stock pulled back is because its competitor, uh, SK Hynix, right over here, they're a Korean-based company. They are planning to be able to give access to the U.S. market and be able to trade SK Hynix. So the U.S. investors will therefore have a chance to play both, invest in Micron and SK Hynix, which is their competitor, which then drives away investors from Micron to SK Hynix. So that's why the stock has taken a hit. But SK Hynix does lead the way in this industry for the memory chip industry. They do lead the way. They hold 34% of the DRAM market, and over here 57% of the high bandwidth memory, which is extremely important. HBMs, NVIDIA, all the big tech, Mag 7, they all require the HBM, and HBM4 is what's coming out. But either way, Micron and SK Hynix, they have sold out of inventory for 2026. So 2027 and beyond, we'll see how that turns out. But I'm still very bullish on it because, again, the supply and demand, uh, there's way more demand than supply. They already sold out supply for 2026. So that's what's happening there. And then let's get back to the portfolio. So, and I also did a position on VRT, and I'll show you guys right over here. VRT, I took profits on this position earlier this morning. You can see at a high of 280. You can see this is a resistance level. So I sold around at the resistance level. So I was fortunate to be able to just do some quick technical analysis and see that we have reached a all-time high and decided to take profits on that leap. So that's great. I got out of VRT, which is a cooling system for data centers. And then I have my alerts set to come back in when opportunity presents itself. And then so I have VRT, I took profits on, and then NVIDIA, I have a 155 long leap here, and that's doing okay. And then MU underwater, but good thing I have a March 19th expiration, so we have to hold steady and exercise patience. And then the rest of the positions, same thing. It's just been very volatile this market because of the war. Let's see how the administration plays this out, and I'm very bullish on the second half of 2026 because if the war can cease fire and come to some agreement, then market's gonna benefit from that. But there's also great announcements and projects heading into the second half of 2026. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I do want to share that with you, and let me share with you guys my group. You can see here, this is when I actually made the trade. So there you go. Yeah, so I did this on Friday, and I did the MU. This is where I announce all my personal trades in my options shark trades. So on Friday, I did a leap at 380. I did the VRT. This is the one I was telling you about. And I sold and took profits this morning. And then NVIDIA, I still have this open here. So I reallocated my funds, invested into these three positions. And then here's the main group. This is where we work with each other. We help each other out and share information that's going to be able to help us make better decisions and stay informed in the market. So you can see this is the main group over here. All right, so if you'd like to get some help when it comes to options or investing, generate income anywhere between 3 to 10% per month, understand technicals, fundamentals, and understanding option strategies, I'll be more than happy to help you. And then, like usual, stay tuned for the second half of this video. You'll see me in action coaching one of my option sharks in the community. And then, yeah, like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and leave a comment. I will respond. And other than that, I will see you all on the next video. Stay safe. And yeah, and by the way, I want to leave you all with this. Be conservative with how volatile this market is. This roller coaster market, this is where you want to be more conservative and take advantage of the dips in the right industries. And the industries that I am personally looking at is anything that's AI infrastructure, the supply chain around AI infrastructure, memory chips, the supply chain around memory chips, and the supply chain around data centers. All right, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great one. By making premiums. Go down. Probably have to replace that. Let's replace it. Just look at the, oh yeah, look at its midpoint's 89 now. It's updated 89. Yeah, and let's attempt to replace. Oh, looks like it got filled.
Oh,
Close this out.
okay.
Yeah, so let's close this out and then refresh. Click on that little refresh arrow and let's just take a look. There you go, 291, right? So we collected 841. We collected another 291. So you see, we're just hedging. We're just making money off our current open positions.
Right.
If you know what I mean. Yeah, we're not opening new positions. We're just generating premiums off our current positions. Okay, let's go back
Whereas
to.
if it just sits there, it's not going to do anything, is
No,
it?
exactly, right. It's just you're just watching unrealized loss, unrealized gains, not doing nothing for you. All right, one more is APH. We're going to hedge that as well. So let's go to APH. Sell to open, 3 contracts. It's going to be a call. And let's look at let's see, where's it at right now? Let's look at a 136 strike. Expiration. Oh, this is a monthly, huh? May 23rd. No, May 23rd. Oh no, that's a dividend. April 17th. No, I wouldn't mess with this. No. Actually, you can pick April 17th, but we'll pick very far out. So let's go April 17th, and then we'll pick a strike price that's really high. So we don't have to deal with it. Go to like, let me see what strike price. Look at 145. No, 145. Wow, still really good premium there. That's pretty good. Um, might be close, but it's okay. Let's just try 3 contracts. Oh yeah, you got 3 there.
Midpoint?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. So another 568. Let's process that. Now this is a 1 month. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, let's just close this out. Close this screen. Let's go to view positions. Yeah. Okay. So everything is hedged. in this portfolio. Let's go to the next portfolio. Okay. Wait, is this another portfolio?
Oh, no, it just, well, I don't know what that was.
That
Kept
looked like
repeating.
it's just the same thing, yeah. QBTS, you can just do cover call on this one. So you could do one contract. That's stake money. So let's just do that. QBTS. Let me check the strike because the market moved up today. Let's see. Look at a 17 strike. So it's gonna be a call expiration this week, the 27th. And we'll do a 17 strike. And limit price, yeah, right midpoint. So $27. Yep, stake money. Let's go that, process that. And we'll go to view positions. We'll just go back to